Hello, good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about new AI tool that is Paperpal. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to type Paperpal and go to the link or go to the link paperpal.com. Then click on that. So you can get the paperpal.com website. Here you can log in you with your email ID and the paperpal.com web page is going to appear. So first of all, you have to go to the left side, Paperpal, new web document. So click on that. Whenever you click on that new web application, you can see the two windows are going to divide it. Here you can import the text and here you can write down the query in a particular language. Now here, first of all, I need to use the particular template for the research. I don't know the template of the research. So here the various options are available in the Paperpal. Edit the text, rewrite the text, or write the text, research citation, which is you can use for the research paper, then translate, templates, check, that is plagiarism checking, can chat with the PDF and summarize that text. So first of all, we go for the templates. Now, here in this template, various options are there. Outline of your presentation, EI disclosure, manuscript selection templates, brainstorming, email and journal, like that are there. Out of that, for example, we are going to take a outline. So you can use the outline for the various purposes like research paper writing, essay, thesis chapter writing, case report, book chapter, blogs or web article, semantic review or other things. It is going to generate the such type of the outline for the your research work. So out of that, I'm going to take a research article. Now here for the research article, you can give the subject, for example, machine learning in a healthcare. This is the topic which is I am going to use here. So for this topic, I need to write down the descriptions. For the short duration time, I will type the machine learning in healthcare in a Google search engine. For example, here it is showing me so many text paragraphs are there. I will take that ready-made paragraph from the Google and describe your topic. In that, I'm going to paste. After pasting this topic, I can say that generate. On this description and the topic, it is going to generate the template for me. See here, in this template, so many points it is going to describe for me. And that point is shown here. So it is going to continuously generating the outline for this research paper. Once it is completed, it if you want that all these research article templates here in the document, you can say simply say insert. So all these outline is going to inserted in the document. After inserting this into the document, you want to write down the content of the specific topic. For example, introduction. In that introduction and background in the machine learning in the healthcare. For example, that you have to write down introduction and background in the machine learning. These two topic, I need to write down the content related to that. So I can write the content here. So you can write the content using paraphrasing, or you can put the content here also. So rewrite the content or write down the content. So here we can write the content related to this topic, or you may say that upgrade the various point it is showing, that is the introduction first point, then importance of potential impact on the machine learning, objective of the study, methodology use, machine learning algorithm model, evaluation metric, results, like this outline and discussion, conclusion, limitations, all these points are generated. For each point we need to write down the um, content. So first of all, we have to go for the article. So we can go for the second tab, that is a research citation, where you can ask the question. For example, first one is introduction and background in the background on the machine learning in the healthcare. Then you can give search question. Now for this introduction of the machine learning and background, it is going to write down the content for me, which is going to show here. See here, it is going to write down the continuously writing the content for me in the. Now all contents are written, background and all these things. Okay, a top 5 paper, which is going to generate result is generated of the top 5 paper and related 5 papers are shown. Now these contents are generated. If I want to insert that content, I simply go to that particular point and click and then say insert. So it is going to insert the contents for me related to that particular topic. Second thing is that in this content, if you observe that here, it is also cited the that particular references. Now, other than that, here the top 5 papers which is referred here, journal paper, it is shown here. So out of that particular paper, if you want to go for that particular paper, click on that particular paper, it is going to show you the abstract and abstract for the user, or you can redirect to that particular paper and see the abstract details. All these details are going to shown to you. Okay, then if you want to download the full PDF or text file, it is going to download it for you, that particular file. Now next thing is that if you want to cite that particular paper, you can say simply cite and insert. So here citation and insertion will be done in the references tab. Like this, you can add the number of paper, upload the PDF, or you can generate the summary with the help of the Paperpal. See here, all references it is going to cite it. It is going to show you, it is taking the time. Like this, citation will be done. Now, after generating this text, you want to the rewrite that particular text. So you can simply copy and paste that particular paragraph and say rewrite. So go to the rewrite or edit the text. So here it is going to take the this text here in the rewriting tab, language and consistency. This rewriting text is available with you. If you are accepting this text, then you can say accept. It is going to replace here. Accept, it is going to replace here. Grammatical changes all will be reflected here in healthcare, machine learning applications, like that. It is going to span instead of spanning. Like this, it is going to accept all text. You can, if you want to accept, you can accept or reject. Like this, you can increase your research writing with the help of this. After completion of the writing, if you want to check the plagiarism, you can go to simply check similarity index, that particular plagiarism. So for that also you can upload this, download this file and upload this file here and check the plagiarism in the online mode. So with the help of this Paperpal AI tool, we can the create the outline of presentation of the research paper, thesis chapters, book chapters easily, as well as we can write down the content or rewrite the content easily. We can check the grammars, you can check the plagiarism, and your research document is easily created with the help of this Paperpal within a few minutes. Thank you.